ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வாழ்க வளமுடன். இந்த வீடியோவில் ஒரு ஜாப் சாஃப்ட்வேர் பற்றி தான் நான் சொல்ல போகிறேன். எம்எஸ் ஆஃபீஸ். நீங்கள் எம்எஸ் ஆஃபீஸ் கற்றுக்கிட்டா ஈஸியாக ஜாப் பண்ணலாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஈஸியாக ஆஃபீஸில் ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம், ஈஸியாக ஆஃபீஸில் ஜாப் கிடைக்கும். 7 டேஸில் இந்த சாஃப்ட்வேரை உங்களுக்கு நான் கற்றுத்தரேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு, ஹவு டு ஓப்பன் திஸ் விண்டோ. So already I installed the software desktop. So I choose the icon, press double click. So this is the direct path. So another one path is there. Some system install the all program. So you check your system with the icon is there or desktop there or store the program, you check it. So how to check? Start, all program, MS Office Word 2007. So many version is there. So whatever version install our system, you check it. The same path. Start, all program, Microsoft Office Word 2007. I tell you example 2007. So many version is there. Whatever version install your system, you check it, the same path only. Okay. Yeah, this is the MS Word window. This Word window, what purpose using? Say typing the document, typing the book, typing the biodata, lettering, say everything do using this MS Word. Yeah, first of all, you know that window. So whatever content is there, first of all, you know that. I tell you. Yeah, here document 1 Microsoft Word there are. Yeah, this is the title bar. Whatever window we open, present the title name. That is called the title bar. Here the same title bar, right hand side 3 button is there. This is the common button. Or any window open, this 3 button is itself there. Close, yeah, the into mark is called the close. Maximize, then minimize. So maximize means big size window. Yeah, really this big size I convert to the small size. Yeah, this is the maximize. Minimize means store the status bar. Here store the status bar. Know that? Yeah, this 4 icon is there now, 4 different colors. That is called the Microsoft button. So all menu store here. Next, this save button, this undo, this redo. Undo means previous action, previous whatever work you do, that is display, called the undo button. Redo means currently what action do, that is called the redo button. All file, edit, view, insert, this is called the menu bar. This all menu bar use and work this window. Okay. Yeah, here 2 rows is there. No, this 2 row is called the standard toolbar. Yeah, here up and down movement is called the scroll bar. Then left and right movement is called the status bar. You know that now whatever window option is there, you know that. Yeah, this is the white area is called the work area. I tell about the file menu. Go to the file menu. File inside many option is there. New, open, close all, save as Word 97 2003, save as web page, recent permissions, web page, page setup, print preview, print, prepare, send, publish, view document and recent document and exit document. This menu few options only, day-to-day life using. First, new. Press new option. Blank document. Click blank document. Then choose create. So this is the new file. This file use a type something. Welcome to my class. The same thing you type the paragraph. I tell exam only, only 1 line type. Okay. Yeah, this message, save your computer using file, save. One dialog box open up. So I give file name here. Give file name here. I give C. Save. This file, the same file, use and continue work using open option. Before that file is closed. After use the open option, choose C, open. Understood? The same file we should continue work using open option. Save means whatever contents you type your document, that document store our computer using save option. Okay, now clear. Next, save as. Save as means duplicate the same file again one copy you want using save as option. Okay, the same file I give the C1, so another file name give C1, save. Okay, the again check, open. Yeah, here C is a current file, C1 is a duplicate file. Understood? Understood, children? Next, yeah, this option not mostly used. Okay, next, page setup. Page setup means align the page. Left hand side how many pages, leave it. Right hand side top and down, align. This all option use the align the pages. Okay, print preview. Print preview means you suppose you typing the paragraph, correct page align segment is clear. You one clarification using page preview. Then print option means everything is clear, afterwards you print. Go to the print option. All means may all you suppose you type the 100 pages, you press the all option, all pages print. Current page means only one pages. That one page is how many copies you want, clear here, put the numbers and OK buttons. Okay, next, send. So whatever document you type, for example letters, some message sent to send option using send our friends. Publisher means some typing books or letters sent to the publisher. View document, whatever document used recently, that document using view. Recent document display. Exit word means close the document. Understood? Understood, students? I think you clear understood. I think we first of all this file menu we thoroughly practice and